Well, I don't like this box.
Go get me a bowl.
What did you say, bro?
I don't like the taste of this. Well, I need a bowl.
You don't like the taste of the box?
You trying to?
Alright, so we were out riding and we found this in one of the campsites. So we're gonna make a lean-to thing out of it. Alright, so we thought about it, and instead of making it this way, we're gonna use the poles from this to add to ours. I'll come and show you what we've done so far. So we cut down trees, dead trees, and then Dad dug a trench to stick them all in. And then once we put them all in like that, we'll bury it, and then we have to put on the roofing. All these through, and so you'll get one of these, and then you'll find a spot, say right up there, and you just gotta kind of weave it through. That way it covers up the hole. So this is the back of it, right? That's back. The back. Yeah, back. We weaved all that stuff in. Did this on both sides. The main tree that we did. So this is just a little extra to make the entrance smaller. See, and then we also did it right over here. That way it's not so big. And then right in here is, so you can go over there, over there. It's not super big, but it's still, you know. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna do like some MREs in it for meals. Yeah.
Hey guys, what you doing? What's in it?
So, do you guys want Southwest style beef?
No. Beef
and black beans with sauce. Next.
potato cheddar soup with bacon.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll do that one. Chicken pesto pasta.
No. No pasta.
Fried rice.
Yeah. Sure.
All right. And cornbread stuffing.
Yeah.
This is the meal ready to eat heater right here. Yep. And step 1, remove the MRE pouch from your carton and save the carton. 2, tear off the top of the bag. Place MRE pouches in the bag with water heater. 3, while holding the MRE pouch and heater above the lines on the bag, pour water into the bag until it reaches the level between lines. Slide the heater and MRE to the bottom of the bag and fold the top of the bag to the opposite side.
For the main part of our meal, we chose potato cheddar soup with bacon, fried rice, and cornbread stuffing.
For snacks, we got chocolate pudding, crackers,
grape jelly, peanut butter,
Peanut butter. And
this is wheat snack bread,
wheat snack bread,
biscuit,
and
nacho cheese pretzels, and
cheese spread. Okay.
Can't leave home without my cheese spread.
So first thing we need to do is warm up the hot food. So to do that, we'll use these heaters.
So in it is one of these, and so you open the bag, and then you put the heater in, which is already in. And then you get one of, this is the cornbread stuffing, right?
Yeah, cornbread stuffing.
And then you put the meal
It has
in.
a bag in it.
It's just like that.
Put it in, and you pour it in the line, in between the line.
Good, good.
Too much?
That was way too much. So we accidentally overfilled it way too much. No, it's steaming.
Oh.
Oh, smoke's coming out.
Now fold it at the top.
So then you fold it at the top. Do that quick.
That's what.
This one's just steaming. We didn't do this one right, I think. It's just steaming.
Was it hot when you touched it, bro?
Yes, it's hot. All right, so we screwed up the last one. We didn't do it right at all. We didn't really read the instructions too well. So we're gonna try to do this one right. So you tear open the bag, and the heater's in there. And put this in there. And you only need a little teeny bit of water.
Good. It's gonna get hot. It's gonna get hot. Good job.
All right, so
Okay, now lean it up against this.
and lean it up against that tree then.
Like how?
I don't know if that one's good.
Yeah, that one probably won't. Third time's the charm. So let's see if this.
Where's the heater?
All right, so while these are cooking, it said 10 to 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have, this is more like snack food. Okay, so do you guys want to try the nacho cheese
Pretzels.
pretzels?
Yeah. Hey, these are squishy.
Okay, here. You did nacho cheese pretzel.
Look at it.
Okay,
All right.
so the outside's pretzel and the inside's nacho cheese.
So
You should try it. That one's yours, Dad. Who wants the cheese?
that's really good.
Those are actually really good.
They kind of taste like the pretzel.
Hey, look it up. Yeah.
I spilled most of them just over there. All right, you guys want more? Get them.
Okay, let's give it a vote. Nacho cheese pretzels. Wait, what's the dog try?
All right, here.
Oh.
You like it, Scout? And she's looking for more, so I think she likes them. So, what should we have the peanut butter and jelly stuff on? Wheat snack bread or a biscuit?
Biscuit.
So this is a little bit of the biscuit.
I like jelly.
The nitrous on jelly.
This is really
Burn.
Bruin.
You took all the jelly.
All right, guys. It's poison. Why does it come with food?
My dad said that these things make you kind of constipated, so I think they put a little bit of that poison stuff in it That way you also get the squirts.
Alright, let's let the dog try. Well, I'm gonna have to let's go. We're gonna feed you some cheese bread. She likes it. I like it.
Ugh. I'm gonna go get more water. Okay, we're gonna try the main meals. The one we messed up first.
That's hot still.
Sweet. We might have a warm meal.
Okay.
Dad, you open it.
I will. I can open it. There. Good job, Dad.
Okay.
Okay, where's the spoon?
Get a spoon.
Look at that. Our homemade pudding. Oh, gross.
Ew.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so nasty.
I'm getting it.
And I may need a if we have leftovers, they go to shadow.
Look at it.
Give it a sniff. What does it smell like?
It smells like this.
It smells like stuff.
Stuffing. I hope it's.
Oh, that's
I just like starting.
It tastes like normal stuff.
Oh, my turn. I just started like stuffing this.
I hate
Yeah. Tastes more like soup.
Is it fine to eat or is it poisonous? I
got
don't
cold
want
spot.
diarrhea.
My whole piece is cold.
Oh, it tastes terrible.
Fine, Lila, go get me another
like
one.
Cat, or it looks like cat.
You.
It tastes
Ruin
I never
your
had
turn.
cat food, so I can't
no.
Remember, this is your lunch. It's all you get.
say. Oh shoot. I'd rather eat no salted saltines. The dog thing.
I think it's next one.
So,
Oh, it's so hot.
Kill box.
what is it?
That's like that one. Oh, it's burning in there.
You get a sweat.
Oh, it touched my leg. Come on. Here, I got it. Hold it. Oh, don't know.
I am. Alright, so this one's the soup.
Oh, it's
Let's hope it's not.
okay. I'll open it. My teeth better not fall out. I got a little rip in it.
That was originally there.
Yeah.
You're not even ripping it the right way.
He's ripping the.
Oh, I got some. Let me see.
That did nothing.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
No.
It made you smell it better. It's actually really good. Hot. I
Hot,
would
but
eat
really
that
good.
for meals.
Eat that for meals. Like it?
Hot.
No, it's brewing. Brewing.
What? No!
Soup. You don't want soup.
I want bacon.
I want bacon.
Well, when we want bacon, you dumb
Here,
dumb.
Want a drink?
Guys!
Oh,
Me.
Alright, last one, it's gonna be the fried rice.
Look at it. Oh, is that right?
Oh,
It's not
chunky. Did I?
Where is rice? Cat food than rice.
Please.
Oh, no, it's good.
Wreath.
It's soup.
It's like
to eat. Luggage in a back.
that Gordon's gonna
It
be
tastes like a
the
soup.
soup was the best.
A soupy kind of
It tastes like how yeast smells.
This is fake. No.
Fruit. It's good.
That's good. Hold on now. Okay, Lila. Hold on.
You got some on her nose.
That one.
Or some more of
Let's go. Some more. tastes like jelly mixed up baby
You want to try some pudding?
We cut the top and added some water into it, and then we've been shaking it.
Normal pudding. It's not like the best pudding.
It tastes like it tastes.
Hey! Well,
You don't like it?
You get it last.
Easier.
Bruin, get the first bite of the best pudding that we can make out of that.
How is that good?
Look at his eye. One's
Pudding
like
hurts.
twitching and the other one's just... No.
Outside.
Me.
It's like Ronald. Let me have some more.
How do you like it, Brew?
Good.
Scale to 1 to 10. How do you like it?
Yum.
Yum.
So let's pick a favorite thing out of all of this. My favorite thing was the pudding.
Soup.
Pudding.
Soup and the nacho cheese pretzels.
Oh, soup and the nacho cheese pretzels.
All right, that's all we have for today. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.
Nash Family Adventures out. Nailed it.
That's my papa.
Hello, my name is Joel. Oh, I gotta pick my nose.